Fasting is not the magic, and it's not a cure for everything for sure, but it's one of the most fascinating tools researchers continue to study for decades. I want everyone watching right now to answer honestly. What is harder for you? Giving up sugar, giving up late night snacks, skipping breakfast, for example, eating less often? Write your answer in the comments. Here is what I want you to remember tonight. The human body here is not weak. The human body is not stupid. The human body is not designed to fail or to be diseased. It's designed to adapt. Yes, to adapt, to repair, to survive, to recover. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is stop constantly interfering with the work your body is already trying to do. Okay, for the next 7 days, don't change what you eat. Okay, it's a challenge. Don't change what you eat, change when you eat. Yes, when you gonna start to eat and feed yourself and feed your whole entire ecosystem inside here and the trillions of microorganisms inside here, your digestive tract, who controls your brain, your hormones, your mood, and also your metabolism. Give your body a little more space between meals. Then come back to this channel and tell me what happened. Did your energy change? Did your hunger change? Did your sleep change? Yes. Did your cravings you have suffered from a change or not? I swear, all of it will change. I want every person who accept this challenge to write down I'm in, okay, in the comments. And if you believe that your body deserves to learn how amazing the human body really is, subscribe to Dr. T Health, because our next will answer an even bigger question. If the body has a repair mood, what are the everyday habits silently turning that repair mode off? Let's talk about body fat. Fat is not the enemy. Yes, the fat is not the enemy. Let me say it again. Fat is not a mistake. Fat is not proof that your body is broken. Fat is actually one of the greatest survival tools humans ever developed. Think about it with me. For most of human history, nobody knew when the next meal was coming. Food wasn't available 24 hours a day. There was no refrigerators, no grocery stores, no food delivery apps. The human body evolved an incredible solution: store extra energy for later. That's what fat cells do. Yes, they are energy saving accounts. The problem isn't that we have fat cells. The problem is many people never access the energy stored inside them. Why? Because insulin here stays elevated for most of the day. Now, don't panic. When you hear the word insulin, insulin isn't bad. Okay, insulin keeps us alive, but insulin has a job. As any other hormone inside our body, its job is to help move nutrient into cells. After eating, insulin rises here from the pancreas. Okay, that's normal. But when insulin remain elevated all the day inside your body, the body becomes less interested in accessing stored energy. Now think about it, about modern eating patterns we do. Breakfast with coffee, with sugar, snack, lunch, snack, then protein bar, dinner, dessert, midnight snack. The body rarely gets a chance to switch gears. It's constantly handling incoming fuel inside your digestive tract, because fasting creates periods where insulin naturally declines. And when insulin declines, the body begins asking, can I use some of the energy? Yes, I have already stored. Have you ever experienced a period where you weren't constantly hungry? Maybe during fasting, maybe during travel, maybe during a busy day. Yes, type yes in the comments if you happened with you. One of the biggest misconceptions online is My metabolism is broken. I hear it all the time. And honestly, most people underestimate how intelligent the human body really is. The metabolism isn't a single switch, it's a complex communication network. Hormones, with organs, with nervous, chemical messengers, everything talking to everything inside your body, and every second, every minute, every hour. Yes, let's imagine two people. Person A eat every 2 hours. Yes, we are talking about person number A eats every 2 hours. Person number B occasionally spends longer period without eating. The body doesn't respond exactly the same. Why? Because the body is constantly receiving information inside your body, and the food is information. Meal timing is information. Sleep is information. Exercise is an information. Stress also. The body listens to everything. That's why health is rarely about one magic food or one supplement or one miracle drink. It's about the signals we repeatedly send to our body and our brain. Now, here is something that should surprise many people. Researchers have observed increase in growth hormone during fasting. Can you imagine that? Yes. Now, before anyone gets excited, let's see clearly. I'm going to clarify it for you. This doesn't mean fasting magically builds muscle. That's not what we are saying. Growth hormone has many functions. One of them is helping the body preserve important tissues. Yes, think of it as the body becoming more efficient, more protective, more resourceful. The body isn't stupid. When food isn't arriving, it starts managing resources differently. And that's exactly what survival biology looks like. Let me ask you a question. How many of you heard of growth hormone before? Type GH in the comments if you listened before about it. Okay, let's talk about the gut. If you have watched many videos, you know how important gut health is. Imagine a restaurant, breakfast rush, lunch rush, dinner rush, food constantly coming in, employees running everywhere. Now imagine the restaurant never closes, ever. No cleaning, no maintenance, no repairs, no organization. Eventually, things become chaotic, right? Your digestive system also needs period to rest. Not because digestion is bad, but because maintenance matters too. Your gut here isn't just digesting food, it's communicating with your immune system. Yes, your brain, your hormones, your metabolism. Scientists continue discovering just how important this system really is. And that's why many researchers became interested in meal timing and metabolic health, because timing may influence far more than calories alone.